Hey, what is going on guys? Techthusiast here, and this is a speed test comparison between the Huawei P20 Pro against the Google Pixel 2 XL. So it's going to be skinned Android versus stock Android, 6GB of RAM versus 4GB of RAM. Now with that being said, let's get started. Up first we have the Huawei P20 Pro. It has a 1080p screen, it's on the latest version of Android Oreo 8.1. It has the Kirin 970 CPU and the Mani G72 GPU and 6GB of RAM. Then we have the Google Pixel 2 XL. It has a Quad HD screen. It's also on the latest version of Android Oreo 8.1. It has the Snapdragon 835 CPU and the Adreno 540 GPU and 4GB of RAM. Just before starting the test, you can see there are no apps and games running in the background. In round 1, the P20 Pro won by 1 point. Moving on to round 2, the RAM management. Here you can see all of the apps and games are in the background. So in round 2, the Huawei P20 Pro won by a massive 8 points. Moving on to benchmarks, starting off with Antutu benchmark, and the Huawei P20 Pro scored over 200,000 points, and the Google Pixel 2 XL scored slightly less with just over 180,000 points. Here are the device rankings, and neither of the devices are here because of the newer devices from this year. And here is the breakdown of each of the categories in this benchmark. Here we have the Geekbench 4 test, and the Huawei P20 Pro scored higher in the single core and multi-core than the Google Pixel 2 XL. And lastly, the compute test, and again the P20 Pro scored higher than the Pixel 2 XL. So that is the end of this speed test comparison, and here are the results at a glance. In round 1 it was very close. However, in the RAM management, the Huawei P20 Pro won that by 8 points. In the benchmark tests for Antutu and Geekbench 4, the Huawei P20 Pro scored higher than the Google Pixel 2 XL. So what are your thoughts about this speed test comparison? Do let me know in the comment section. If you have enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I will have much more content coming up. Don't forget to hit that bell notification so you get notified as soon as my videos are released. Please do follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.